Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can go about trying to fix the controller that you're using for your Nintendo Switch 2, whether it needs to be updated or maybe there's some drift with the sticks that you're using. Whatever your issue might be, what you want to do from the home page of your Switch 2 is go over and select your system settings. In your system settings, scroll down until you find where it says controllers and accessories. Then we're going to go over here to the side, and the first thing I recommend doing is updating your controllers. So you can click that. And if your controllers aren't updated, you can do that in this area. Otherwise, if they're already updated, then you should be good to go with that. Now, if you're having issues with the sticks on your controllers drifting, perhaps they need to be recalibrated. So we're going to scroll down and find where it says calibrate control sticks. And whatever stick you would like to check on to see if it needs to be calibrated, just start moving it around on your controller, and then it's going to take you over to this screen. And this is where you can test out to see if you're having those issues with drift. So when the control stick isn't being touched, the cursor above should appear in the center with a blue cross like this. So I'm using my Pro controller right now, and I can see that this is exactly how I would like it to be. When the stick is tilted, the cursor will appear as a blue dot moving within the outer circle. And when the stick is fully tilted in any direction, the outer circle will light up. So with moving that controller stick, I can move it around freely in this area. And then when I go all the way to the edge, I want to confirm that all the way around the perimeter, I'm able to get all the way to the edge, and that perimeter is highlighted in blue. So this stick is good to go for me. But if your control stick isn't calibrated properly, what you need to do at that point in time is press X on your controller to go through the calibration process. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, walking you through the steps on how you go about calibrating your controller sticks or updating your controller to fix potential issues that you might have, and where you can access this in your system settings over in the controller and accessories menu. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing for more Nintendo Switch 2 content in the future.